Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss questions from chapter Matter in Our Surrounding. First हम discuss करते हैं multiple choice MCQs. So first MCQ is select the correct statement. Yes. Ridya Sharma, read the statement and give the answer.
Good morning, ma'am. Choose the correct statement of the following. A, conversion of solid into gas without passing through the liquid state is called sublimation. B, conversion of vapors into solid without passing through liquid state is called vaporization. Conversion of vapors into solid without passing through liquid state is called boiling. Conversion of solid into liquid is called sublimation. Ma'am, A part is right. Conversion of solid into gas without passing through liquid state is called sublimation.
Okay. तो इसमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सी है? कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड इनटू गैस विदाउट पासिंग थ्रू लिक्विड स्टेट इज नोन एज सब्लिमेशन. राइट हृदय शर्मा. नेक्स्ट इशिता.
Yes, ma'am.
रीड करिए.
The intermolecular forces of attraction are the strongest in solids, gases, liquids, and all of these. The intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in solids.
Right. The intermolecular forces of attraction are the strongest in solid. Right, बच्चे. Next MCQ. The boiling point of A, B, and C are 45 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius, and 108 Celsius respectively. What is the correct option? That is boiling point in Kelvin. First option में लिखा है 306 Kelvin, then 329 Kelvin and 391 Kelvin. Second option given है यहाँ पे 308 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin, 392 Kelvin. Third option given है 318 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin and 381 Kelvin. Last option में लिखा है 329 Kelvin, 392 Kelvin and 308 Kelvin. 3 टेम्परेचर आपको गिवन है सेल्सियस में और आपने इसको केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सी होगी? राम दुग्गल.
Ma'am, C is correct option.
Why C is correct option, Ram Dugal?
Ma'am, because Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.
45
Kelvin
plus,
is equal to 45 plus 273 is equal to 318 Kelvin. 56 plus 273, 329 Kelvin.
Okay. Then
108 plus 273 is equal to 381 Kelvin.
okay जी. So right option कौन सी है? C option. Now next, boiling process is a surface phenomenon, bulk phenomenon, neither surface nor bulk phenomenon, both A and B, means both surface and bulk phenomenon. Kashika.
Yes. Ma'am, boiling process is a bulk phenomenon.
Which condition out of given will increase the evaporation of water? First, increase in surface area. Second option given है decrease in temperature. Third, less exposed surface area of water. And the last option is increase in humidity. Nami.
Increase in surface area, A part. मैम जितना मतलब जितना बड़ा सरफेस होगा उतनी जल्दी इवेपोरेशन होगी.
Rate of evaporation is directly proportional to surface area. Yes. Ek Noorji, read the statement and give answer.
To which state do the following statements apply? First, fixed volume, no fixed shape. Compressible, no defined shape. Ma'am, first liquid.
Fixed volume, no fixed shape. Liquid, right? Compressible
second,
and no
gas.
fixed volume.
Ma'am, gas.
Gaseous state, right? Next is define matter. Anshika. Roll number 42, ninth grade.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hanji beta, good
The
morning.
substance that Yes, ma'am. The substance that occupies space and have mass is called matter.
Anything that occupies space and has a mass is known as matter, right? What are the characteristics of particles of matter? Characteristics of particle of matter. Parneet.
Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter have spaces between them.
Right? First characteristic क्या है? The particles of matter have spaces between them. Second, particles of matter are continuously moving. Third, particles of matter attract each other. Very good. Next is, next turn up. Sirjan Kaur.
Name the state of matter in which particles move around randomly because of very weak force of attraction. Gaseous state.
Right. The state of matter in which particles move around randomly due to weak force of attraction. कौन सी state है ये? कौन सी state of matter है? Gaseous state of matter. Very good, Sirjan Kaur. Next, define density and give its SI unit. Define density and give its SI unit. Yes, Narinder Kaur.
Oh, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, density is mass per volume. And its unit is
SI unit.
meter per, ma'am, I don't know the SI unit.
No. Ridya Sharma.
Ma'am, its
आपकी
SI
बुक में
unit is
टेबल है, Ridya, wait. आपकी बुक में एक टेबल गिवन है चैप्टर के एंड में, ठीक है, वहां पे देखिए यूनिट्स लिखी हुई है डेंसिटी की, ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ डेंसिटी। यस रिद्या।
Ma'am, it is kilogram per meter cube.
राइट, किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब। Next, convert the given temperature to Celsius scale. Manav,
Yes.
yes Manav. Convert
Ma'am, it's 327 Celsius. Ma'am, no.
327
Ma'am,
400 केल्विन
227.
को बेटा आपने कन्वर्ट करना है डिग्री सेल्सियस में।
Ma'am, 227.
227 कैलकुलेट करवाएंगे बेटा मुझे?
Ma'am, yes.
हाँ जी।
Ma'am, 400 Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, 400 minus 273 is equal to Celsius. And then 236.
236 श्रेय थापर।
127 degrees Celsius.
Right, its answer is 127 degree Celsius. Okay, Manav ji. Now convert 673 Kelvin to degree Celsius. Rijul.
Ma'am, the answer is 400.
400 क्या केल्विन क्या आना साथ में?
400 degrees Celsius.
राइट, 673 माइनस 273 कितना हो गया? 400 डिग्री सेल्सियस। राइट बेटा, गुड। नेक्स्ट, कन्वर्ट द गिवन टेम्परेचर टू केल्विन स्केल। अब आपको केल्विन स्केल में कन्वर्ट करना है। (25 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 373 डिग्री सेल्सियस को कन्वर्ट कीजिए केल्विन में। फर्स्ट प्रथम कुमार।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
Ma'am, 25 degrees Celsius will be AC plus 25 plus 273 is equals to 298 Kelvin.
ओके, 298 केल्विन। इसका तो आंसर हो जाएगा 298 केल्विन। हाँ जी बेटा जी, आगे।
If 373 degree Kelvin plus 273
373 डिग्री सेल्सियस बेटा, 373 डिग्री
Celsius
प्लस
273 Kelvin is equals to 646 Kelvin.
ओके, 646 केल्विन। राइट, नेक्स्ट गिव रीजन। सलील मनन।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी।
Neptune balls disappear with time without leaving any solid.
Ma'am, in this nothing bonds disappear time with time without leaving any solid because it is in the middle state, which leaves some gas.
Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Gurleen? Give
Yes,
reason.
ma'am.
Naphthalene ball disappear with time without leaving any solid.
Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid by the process of sublimation, in
Yes.
which they transform from solid state to gas state directly without changing into liquid state.
Good. Next, give reason. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Yes. Kashish. Roll number 31, ninth blue.
We can get the smell of the perfume sitting several meters away because the perfume is having the gaseous particles which move very fast in the air and they reach our nose by the process of diffusion.
What is diffusion?
Intermixing of the particles of any state of matter on their own.
Okay, good. The next, why is ice at 273 Kelvin? 273 Kelvin means 0 degrees Celsius. More effective in cooling than water at same temperature. Same temperature means 273 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at same temperature? Answer is given in your NCERT book on page number 7. Yes, Parneet.
Ice at 273 Kelvin is more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature because particles in water at 273 Kelvin have more energy as compared to particles of ice at 273 Kelvin.
अगर particles आप कह रहे कि particles in water have more energy in the form of
latent heat of fusion.
What is latent heat of fusion, बच्चे?
The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid
at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as
point.
latent heat of fusion. Very good. Next is, what is latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of fusion. Himanshi Prabhakar.
The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as the latent heat of fusion.
Amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid to liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. Okay, Chi, good. Next. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of glass containing ice cold water? Answer is given in your NCERT book. Page number 10. Kashika Sharma.
We see water on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water because the water vapor present in air on coming to the cold glass of water loses energy and gets converted into liquid state, which we see as water droplets.
Next. Why do wet clothes dry quickly in sun than in shade? Yes, Lavish, ninth red. Yes. Yes, Sidima.
Wet clothes dry quickly in the sun than the shade because the sun vaporizes the wetness in the clothes by the sun absorbs the wetness in the clothes by the process of evaporation.
Rate of evaporation increase हो रहा है with increase in temperature. Right, Sidima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Narinder Kaur. Where is Narinder Kaur? Good. Yes, Narinder.
Oh, yes, good, ma'am. May I speak the question, ma'am?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Name the SI unit of measuring temperature. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius under normal atmospheric pressure. Convert this temperature into SI units. The answer of the first part is the SI unit of measuring temperature is Kelvin.
Right.
And the boiling point of water in Kelvin is 373 Kelvin.
Very good, Narendra. 373 Kelvin. Good. Next, name 3 states of matter. Which state of matter is rigid and why? Yes, Ravnoor.
Yes, ma'am. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. And solids are the most rigid because of intermolecular force of attraction between them.
Due to strong interparticle force of attraction. Solid state क्या होती है? Rigid. Next, write one similarity and two differences between boiling and evaporation. Shikha. Ninth blue. Okay, no problem. Kashish.
Ma'am, both are similar as both convert the liquid into vapors. The difference between boiling and evaporation is that evaporation is surface phenomenon and boiling is bulk phenomenon. Evaporation is bulk phenomenon and boiling is surface phenomenon. And evaporation causes cooling, boiling doesn't causes cooling.
Yes. Next turn is off. Okay, Sirjan Kaur.
To convert a gas into liquid, we will apply pressure and reduce the temperature.
If you want to convert gas into liquid, yes, which two method can you apply? Yes, Sirjan?
Will apply pressure and reduce the temperature.
Okay. Next is define compressibility, rigidity, and fluidity. First, define compressibility. Priyanka Bora. Yes, Priyanka. Okay, Anshika ji, define compressibility.
Yes, ma'am. Tendency to decrease volume when some external forces applied.
Tendency to decrease. क्या कह रहे हो आप? Anshika, repeat.
Ma'am, tendency to decrease volume when some external forces applied.
Very good, Anshika ji. Now, what is rigidity?
Ma'am, rigidity means the tendency to maintain shape when some external forces apply.
Next definition भी बता दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. The flow of liquid is called fluidity.
Only flow of liquid?
Or ma'am, any substance is called fluidity.
Four factors which affect the rate of evaporation. Four factors which affects the rate of evaporation. Kashika Sharma.
Ma'am, first factor is if the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation will increase.
Next.
And second factor is an increase of temperature. With the increase of temperature, more number of particles will get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. Third factor is decrease in humidity.
What is humidity?
The air, ma'am, humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air.
Very good. Next, fourth factor.
Ma'am, an increase in wind speed.